Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Seek from Doors. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off by drawing the head, which is on an angle. I've added some red guidelines to help me draw the head. You can also tilt your paper if that helps. Okay, let's start by drawing the top of the head with the curve here. Then let's bring the sides down. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, inside, let's draw a large eye in the center, and we're going to keep it on that same angle. And then add the pupil in the center with a large black circle. And lastly, for the head, let's add 2 small ears on either side. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. From the left side of the head, let's draw a small line out. And then a smaller one on the right side. Now from that left line, let's angle it down and in, and then back down. And then for the right side, we're going to draw a straight line down, ending a little bit higher like this. And then from the bottom, let's angle it in on both sides, leaving a gap in between. And now let's close off the bottom. Now let's move back up and draw the arms, starting with the left side. From the shoulder, let's draw an angled line down and out. And the same thing underneath. Then from the outside line, we're going to angle it down. And then from the inside line, we're going to add a bent line. Now let's add the hand at the end. From the outside line, let's draw an angled out, and then another down. Then a V shape at the bottom. Now another angle over, and then a V shape to close off the last finger. Now let's move over and draw the right arm. For this arm, let's start at the shoulder, but this time we're going to angle it up and out. And the same underneath. Now from the outside line, let's angle it back down. And then a bent line inside. And now let's add the hand. From the outside, we're going to angle it out and down. Then a V shape for the finger. And again, an angle in, and then one more V to close it off. And that's it for the arms. Let's move down and add the legs next. Let's start by drawing the left leg. Underneath the body, on the left, let's draw a line down. And then for the outside of the leg, a bent line like this. And then from the bottom of both sides, let's angle it down and out. And then an angled line on the outside, and a bent line inside. Now let's add the foot at the bottom. We'll start with angled lines down and out, and then a V shape at the bottom to close it off. Now let's draw the right leg. This time on the inside, we're going to draw a bent line and another long bent line on the outside. Then an angle down and then over. And then on top, a long angle down and a short one down like this. Now from that top line, let's curve it out and then short line at the bottom. And now let's add the foot at the bottom in the same way as the other side. And that's it for Seek. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!